everybody. So what is Clubhouse? Okay, I'm just making a couple videos about Clubhouse because it's like a really hot item right now, and I feel like it can really benefit my audience and all of my students and all of my graduates, and if you just happen to come across this. Okay, so Clubhouse is amazing. I was a little skeptical at first. I thought it was like some network marketing, and I was like, invite only. You want to charge me for an invite? I never got asked to pay for an invite, but people were telling me they were being asked to pay for an invite. I was like, oh, no, this is network marketing, you know? And so I was very skeptical. Like, I am just a skeptic, okay? And so I finally got into the app. Someone gave me their invite. He's amazing. He's a marketing guy. I've been working with him for a long time. And so he gave me an invite, and reluctantly I took it. I was like, oh, you can sell that? Don't give it to me, you know, like made this big deal about it. And so he let me into the app. And then I've been on it for about 24 hours. So I'm like completely addicted to it at this point. I find myself like just in calls. So basically it's like a list of calls going on, and you just jump into them, and they're about certain topics. So I'm going to open up the app so then I can kind of show you guys.
At least plan to see that. How if I can be resource moving forward, let me know.
Did you hear that? So that's literally a call, like a live call going on about that topic. And you can see this is my number one group. I don't know, it's probably up there at the top because I've been on it for hours. But you can see all these are calls about different topics. Now, sometimes it's very personal calls, and I'm like, whoo, let's not turn this into an OnlyFans platform, you know? You know, OnlyFans was not meant to be for what it is right now, and it's really sad. I mean, they're still making money, so who cares? But it was meant to be for artists and things like that. Didn't go that way, though. But there is rooms for private information. There's rooms, for private, like people just chatting about private things and personal things. There are a ton of groups about business, mentorship, growing your business, making $1 million. And those are the groups that I've been in. And you see more of the calls based on who you're following. And so I make sure, and I found that out the hard way because I had just like followed whoever. And then I was like, ooh, I'm seeing some racy stuff here. And this is not how Nicole gets down, right? I'm all about business, okay? All the time. I love business. It's an obsession, okay? And so I was like, let me unfollow some of these people, because I heard through a Clubhouse, it's like an intro call that goes on a couple times a day for people that are new to Clubhouse. And they were saying, if you're seeing weird calls show up, look who you're following, because you're going to see their calls and what they're promoting. And so I went and removed some people that were really not aligned with what I was there for. And now all I see is really business related stuff, which is amazing. Everything from marketing, sales funnels. And then, you know, all those people on social media that you can't really reach, and they've got hundreds of thousands of followers, and you're like, God, I wish I could work with this company, but they're like way above your pay scale, right? Guess what? A lot of them are in the app, and you get to ask them questions. And I didn't know how to ask questions. That was the weird thing. So I got in finally, and you can go look at my other videos, how to get in Clubhouse without an invite. But basically, you're only supposed to get in with an invite, but I've made a little video about that. So basically, once you pick the call that you're in, so let's say, go here, I'm going to click in this call, and then you can see there, leave quietly, and then there's a little ad where I can add someone, and a little mic where I can unmic myself, and then there'll eventually be a little hand there where I can raise my hand. Right now, they must have some setting up where it's saying that they're just talking, but in most of the groups I've been in, there's been a little hand visible, and I click it, and it basically is me raising my hand, and I'm getting in line to ask a question. So kind of my little bubble moves up, and then I'm in line asking, as these people ask a question, their bubble moves, my bubble moves up, and then eventually I get to ask a question. I've literally connected with 7 people just today. It's 12/27/2020. It's 1 p.m. here in Atlanta, and I have connected with 7 people. I have a phone call set for later for someone who I really look up to. I've spoken to a couple of great marketers and sales funnel people, and just, oh my gosh, it's just amazing. So I really think that you guys should get on this app if you're someone who's into business. Now there's other stuff on there like speed dating and stuff. So even if you're into something like that, it's like a new social media platform. Again, if you want to get in and you don't know anybody, well, you need to know someone that's on it. But if you don't know anybody with an invite, there is a way that they can let you in. Now, if you need my help getting in, just comment below. I will try to get you in. There is a kicker. I have heard, now not officially, if I let you in and you violate some policy, I might get kicked out. So I have to figure out how am I going to weed out who I let in and who not to let in. I've let in about 6 people at this point, and I've only let in people that I really know are very, very business, like they're so professional, and I know they're not going to have any issues. So I'm not just letting anybody in. Don't be offended. If I don't know you, don't know anything about you, how can I just let you in? And I don't know if that's going to cause me to get kicked off in something that I really, really love. Now, it is in beta, and they do say on their website, yes, they have a website, that eventually it's going to be open to everyone. So definitely get on the waiting list because it's a really cool app. All right, so I hope that explained a little bit about what this app is. And please like and subscribe. You guys take care. Bye.